Hey friends! So today when you get logged in, remember you're going to find the blue person on your Chromebooks and you're going to type MPEL, MPEL, and hit the Enter key to get signed in. That should take you to the library page. You are going to click on the K like you do every week. And then we're going to scroll down to the Story Maker. We've done this before and you guys did some words, but the teachers are going to hand you a little handout. What we're practicing today is using our Shift key to make uppercase letters, but we use the Shift key for any of the keys that have two things on them. So for instance, if you look at your number row, each of the numbers on your keyboard has a number and a symbol above the number. So to get the symbol above the number, I hold the Shift key and I push that number. So if I wanted to make an exclamation point, I would hold the Shift key down and push the number 1 because the exclamation point is above the 1 key on my keyboard. Okay, so we're going to practice using our Shift key to make uppercase letters and symbols. So the paper that you have, you're going to click on your Story Maker on the kindergarten site. And again, we want to get our lined paper, so we're going to click on this little square over here with the two A's, and that will give me my lined paper. Okay, the first sentence says Sarah, and it's a name and it's the first word, so I have to capitalize. So I'm going to hold down Shift and S, and I'm going to find the other letters on my keyboard. I push a space in between words. I'm going to type the next word, and then it has comma. So find your comma. It's right next to the M key, but the M, or that key with the comma, has two symbols on it. Since the comma is the one below, we don't need to hold down the Shift, so I'm going to push comma, space. Now I'm looking for my quotation marks. That is right next to the Enter key, but it's the top symbol on the key. There's two sets of things on that key again. I have one little dash, and then I have my parentheses. So I'm going to hold down my Shift key since the parentheses are on top. Shift to get my parentheses, and then wow, and all of the letters are capitalized, so I need to hold down the Shift key for all of them. Then it has an exclamation point, and that exclamation point is above the 1 on the 1 key. So again, I need to hold down my Shift, push the 1, and then I have to do my parentheses again, and then that's it for sentence 1. Now, when I get done with 1, I want to go down to the next line, so I'm going to hit my Enter key to take me down to the next line. If you have any of your lines that wrap over onto a second line, don't worry about it. Just finish that line and then hit Enter at the end of wherever you are to take you down. Remember, this program, we can use the little green button with the plus sign to get a new page so that I can get more pages or more writing in. So I'd like you to try and do as many of the sentences as you can on the page. You probably won't finish them all, and that's okay. All right, good luck.